Hey guys, this is another ClickFix tutorial video on how you can use our shortcodes. So today I am going to show you how to use the sync fields shortcode. What this does is that it synchronizes the same field if it's 2 times or more times in the same page, but in different parts of the page. So I copied a checkout form from one of our templates from the ClickFix library, and as you can see here, I have an email field, but I have it repeated in the next step. So I have the email field twice. So what this does is that when the user types in their email in the first step and they click on submit to go to the second step, the email field is going to be already filled in. So you can use this for multi-step forms, or just to make your user don't have to type a certain field 2 times or more. So here I have the publish page, and I'm going to show you how it works, how the code works. So if you go to the custom code on the Ontraport page builder, you can see that this is the entire code. So it's only sync fields, and then you type the field ID. If you want to know the field ID, you can use the ClickFix Chrome extension, which allows you to highlight the field IDs, but also block IDs, column IDs, and all that stuff. So you just go to highlight field names, and it's going to give you the field name. In this case, it's email. Sometimes the name changes. So let's go back to the code. So as I said, you just type sync fields and then you type the field name. So I'm just typing a test email to show you guys how this works. So I typed it here, and if I scroll down, the same email is typed in this field. I would also like to mention that you can use the sync field shortcode to create multi-step forms in which you hide the field that you're interested in. So for example, this is a multi-step demo page. If you want to see the whole video about it, I will link it in the description. But basically I created 2 blocks here, and on the second block I went to the form settings and created a hidden field, which is the email. And then this is the code in which I sync the field email to the second block using the shortcode. So these are 2 ways in which you can use this shortcode. So it's a very simple shortcode. I hope that you use it on your Ontraport pages, and I'll see you in the next video.